Hello, what's up guys? My name is Vegas from How to Create Studio. Today I would like to introduce what is How to Create Studio. How to Create Studio is a channel YouTube that specially dedicates to you graphic designers and video graphics maker or filmmaker. On this site, I would like to share everything that I already know about technology, about design graphic, videography, and all of application that might be connected into it. I hope you enjoy, guys, and just waiting for my next video. Don't forget to please subscribe and like this video for the introductions, and see you next time.